Okay guys, I'm back. I'm here again to crossing mountain because I'm catching my breath with this jungle here. So I'm here guys. I can hear the dogs. I can hear people. So hopefully they're not done harvesting the rice yet. Hopefully I can still see. Oh, I think they just started. I want to find out. See how much rice do we have here. How much rice do we have to harvest? So here we go guys. Oh, charan. There you go guys. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? I can't see them. I can't see the machine running. Whoa. But I hear some people though. Maybe it's on the other side. I know where it is. Where the hell is it? Oh my god. There's nobody here. I thought I hear machines. Thought I hear people. Where are they? So, by the way guys, so this rice right here, it's ready to harvest. Because as you can see guys, it's all yellow now. See, this is what I'm talking about guys. When the rice are all yellow, that tells you that this thing is ready to harvest. Check that out guys. So yellow. This is the way the rice is guys. So look at this right here. Oh, it's not a lot, but when we harvest this guys, the harvester machines, and then they put it on the 50 kilos. No, I think it's 25 or 20 kilos on the rice sacks, So after that, we're gonna dry it to the sunlight. We have a heater over here for the rice. That way you don't have to dry it on the sunlight. But two of this machinery in our area got broke. So we're gonna have to dry it on sunlight. Takes about 1 or 2 days guys to hopefully we have sunlight. So there you go. That caretaker, I don't know where he at. And there's a river. Excuse me. We're in here guys, look at. See, our property is nice because the rice field here guys. The rice field, there's mountain. Oh, isn't it pretty guys? Look at that. Mountain, it's like jungle. It's like a virgin forest guys. Never been touched. Look at that. All that trees and woods in there inside. I don't know what's in there. Maybe a wild monkey maybe, or wild whatever. But that mountain, most of the mountain here guys is in our area, in my place. Usually it's never been touched. We just let it grow, and we just let it grow the trees and whatever it is inside and things like that. You know, there's woods in there. I mean, good woods, but we really don't want to go inside yet because it's, in order to do that, if we're going to clean that up, we're gonna have people to take all that wild trees or unnecessary trees that grows really nothing, you know. It's just, but look at this, how pretty that is. And we got river in here, Good thing the river now is not like brown or red color. So because it's a summer, when it rains, that color become almost like red or brown, yellow, something like that. But we'll find out here. I'm gonna wait for Delpine. We're gonna wait for Delpine, and it's probably here already. But let's see. Let's see this. Oh, he has like just potato, sweet potato over here too. Let's find out. He's got some sweet potatoes. He's got some sweet potatoes over here, guys. I don't know that. We'll find out. Maybe there's things that have potato already. Look at it, guys. The potatoes. This is actually sweet potato, guys. This is how it is. I'm not sure about potato, American potato. I don't know how they plant it, but this is the way how it is here when you plant it. You know. Oh, what's going on here? There you go. There you go. So, look at this. Oh, shoot. Okay. Look at this, guys. So, look at that. I can see a baby tomato right here, guys. Look at that. But it's still a baby, though. See? This is still a baby. So, in other words, this one is not. But it should. Look at this. It should have potatoes in there already. I mean, big, but this, I can see that the ground is cracking already. See that ground is cracking already? Look at this right here, crack. Look at that means when the ground's cracked, potato, big potatoes inside. So let's find out. See, I'm not kind of curious now, but I'm not sure. I don't want to mess around with it yet. So yeah, look at this, guys. So I think he's here already because he's got his backpack here. He's got his backpack. And this is his little rest, nesting rest. I don't know what he got here, but he got clothes hanging in here. Banana trees and talisay trees and all that. So we'll find out. We're gonna wait for him. I have another caretaker over there, guys. The one that I showed you guys before. You know, there's a on that side right there, guys. On that side right there, there's a mountain in here too. To go in over there, it's right over here, guys. Right over there on that side. And I have a caretaker over there too, planting bananas, yams, chickens. He likes to fish. He actually fish on that river, and especially crabs. There's a lot of crabs in there, and he knows how to get them. And that guy is cool. He's cool, man. He's cool. I like him. I like the way he takes care of the land on the other side of that mountain. But we'll see here. This rice, I'm excited, guys. And how much we get to this rice field. How many sacks we have. So I'm gonna and hopefully the harvester will come over here, and I'm under the tree. Hopefully there's nothing in there. I better look out because a lot of times snakes are coming, going to the trees. You know. Well, I need to sit on something. There you go. So anyway, guys, there he goes right there. I've been over here for. I arrived here from Arizona, United States. I arrived here on October 7. I think it was October 7 or October. Yeah, October 7 of 2021, and from Arizona, we traveled, me and my wife traveled, we traveled like, uh, I think that was 18 hours, guys, traveling from uh, Arizona to Philippines. So we took a plane from Arizona to Los Angeles, and then Los Angeles to uh, Cebu, Philippines. And that was a long trip, guys, because Los Angeles and Cebu, Philippines is another island in the Philippines, big island in the Philippines. And and then when we arrived in Cebu, Philippines, that time the quarantine situation is really, really strict. So we had to, me and my wife have to stay in the hotel for 7 days. So 7 days in the hotel, it was a depressing situation. You cannot come out to the hotel. You stay in your room. But the good thing is, we had this hotel and it has a balcony on it. So it has a balcony on it, guys, and it was good. I thought I was for 7 days. Me and my wife has to stay inside without seeing the outside of moving vehicles or moving people and all that. So the good thing is we have a nice balcony, guys, in Cebu, and it was close to the ocean. It is close to the bridge. So that was good. That was really good, guys, and at least our stress or depressed didn't go to worse situation. So good thing the balcony helped us a lot, because there we can order food and then they deliver it to us in our room. But yeah, after 7 days, of quarantine, we had to had a swab test to make sure that we don't have a virus or something. You know how it is, and we came up, both of us, negative, and then we were free to go. We were free to go to our island here in Surigao del Sur, in Cantilan, Surigao del Sur. And since then, we arrived here like October 18 or something like that, October 18 or 19. So I was excited. Because I could see my province, I can see my hometown, I can see all mountains and coconuts and rice field and green. It's all green, as you can see, guys. See that? How can you not be excited coming home like this? If, if your eyes can see all this kind of environment, fresh air, you know, fresh everything, the food is fresh, fruits, vegetables, fish, uh, pork and beef and all that. It's all fresh. And we were thankful that we were arrived here safe after all those traveling, after all those kinds of hassles, guys. And I thought there that we're gonna be stuck in Cebu, and we were worried about maybe we were positive on the swab test, and all that, and boy, I'm telling you, it was a journey, guys. It was a journey, travel. It was a challenge too. It was pretty much challenge, because from Arizona to LA, you don't know what to get. You might catch up virus in LA or in Arizona or in the plane also, and you never know. So yeah. So since then, guys, I'm still here. Since October 18 of 2021, I'm still here. I'm planning to get back to the US. Maybe my wife said it's on January we're gonna come back to the US. Well, actually, guys, my wife is already in there in Los Angeles, California. She took a job over there, and she took a job for a staying job. She She she's well, what date? See, I think that was March, January, February, March, February. I think that was February of 2022 or 20, something like that. She went back to California and left me here because I told her that I'm gonna stay over here and everything. But I don't know. She probably come back this year or next year. I'm not sure what's the plan, but she told me that when she comes back here, we're gonna go back to US in January or something like that of next year. So we'll see how that goes, because we'll find out how that goes coming back to USA and coming back to Arizona. So we'll find out. But basically, yeah, well, you know, I'm here already, and I kind of miss Arizona. I miss my kids, and I miss my relatives over there in Arizona. And staying here for that long, guys. I mean, I stayed here before for that long, but you know, I came back after 8 months to Arizona again. So I think this one is a little longer. So coming back to Arizona, it's gonna be a little it's gonna be a little hectic again, because you're gonna start all over again, and you know, get a job again, you know, things like that. But anyway, where's the machine? Where's the harvester? I've been here talking already, but well, guys, I'm gonna see you again. I'm gonna wait for that harvester to come over. So I think I can hear him already right there. So I think it's right over there. It's coming. There you go. It's coming, guys. So it's coming right there. There's the harvester right there, guys. And we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out, guys, how they're gonna start this, how they're gonna use that, because I really wanna see it too. That machine right there. Oh, look at that. There you go. I can see them right there, guys. Okay, there's the machine right there, guys. Right there. He's gonna do that. He's gonna harvest that thing. So I'm not sure he's gonna start now or what. So right there, guys. We're gonna find out right now. So we're gonna see all this. So right here, guys, he's gonna find out all that thing. He's gonna harvest all this rice right there with that machine right there, guys. So right there. So there you go. So we're gonna go find out how they're gonna do this. So let me. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Jessalona vlog. I'm here to the rice field right now, and we're gonna see all this rice right here. As you can see, all this rice is yellow. And look at this, guys. As you can show you guys earlier, all this rice right here, when it's become yellow, then it's ready to harvest and everything. So I don't know how much they're gonna harvest in here. I think right over here. So this is the guys that's gonna do the job, and that's their machine. This is the way they how to do it. So we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out how they do it. So there you go, guys. They're putting all these sacks in here, and I think the rice, once it comes to the bottom, and it comes all the way to the sacks right there. So kuya, ano po pangalan niyo? Pero anong pangalan niyo, kuya? Virgin. Kayo po, kuya? Kayo po, kuya? Ricky. Matagal niyo na po bang ginagawa to?
Medyo may katagalan na po.
Oh, ganun ba? So anong kuya ang ano niyo dito, yung tulad ng pag-harvest? Paano yung mga hatian niyo ba? Ano, binabayaran kayo sa pag-harvest o may kahati kayo sa palay?
Per sako kami.
Per sako. Mga ilang sako ang Bawa, ika-unom o
Ikasampo kami.
ika-sampo? Okay. Oh, good. So, sakop nyo po lahat dito yung mga ina-harvest nyo, kayo po ang nag-harvest, no?
Oo.
Okay, that's good. Tingnan po ninyo. Okay guys, as you can see, all these guys is doing their thing. So we're gonna leave them alone and do their thing, do their job. And we're gonna find out, we are going to find out how these things work. So, by the way guys, that the other side of the mountain right there, all the way, I own, I think like 2 hectares of that mountain right there. And I have a caretaker. He planted a banana, yams, chickens, and everything. So earlier, I'm gonna go ahead and visit them and see how is he doing. So it's like you said, and I'm gonna show you guys on the river and everything. As you can see, there's also people over there. I think they're gonna wait for harvest already on their rice. So there you go, guys. So as you can see, what a beautiful place. So how can you not see this place? It's all green, all fresh, the food, fish, everything, guys. So basically, guys, this is the harvester. As you can see. Whoa, look at that. That's a lot of mud right there, guys. And this is how the machinery goes. I guess when they put this down, all the way to the bottom of this ground, it's right here, right there, guys. So right there, as you can see, right there, and the rice gonna go all the way right here to the bottom, I guess. Oh, this one right here, this is the tube right here, guys. This is the tube. So I guess the rice goes all the way right here on this door, and this door, and it's gonna go all the way right here to the hopper. So all the rice is gonna come here on the hopper, and it's gonna go down over here. It's gonna go drip right here, guys, on the rice. And look at that. Amazing, guys. Look at that. Pretty genius. Wow. So guys, I'm excited. I'm gonna see you guys later. We're gonna go right there. We're gonna visit the other caretaker of mine. He's got lots of things over there. He got lots of chicken. He's got a lot of yams, bananas, and coconuts and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and see what he is doing. So maybe we can get some chicken up there when I come home. So I usually when I come over here, when I visit over there, he actually give me some chicken, like 1 chicken or some bananas and everything. So look at, guys, he has some sweet potato right here. So I don't know about the American potato, guys, but this is how the way it is right here, sweet potato. As you can see right here, guys, you can see right here, the ground is kind of breaking or cracking. See, right there. So I'm not sure how big is this potato. This is how you call sweet potato. So we're gonna go find out. I don't know how big his tomato is, but I don't know. I don't think it's. We'll find out. We'll find out right now. There you go. Look at that, guys. Holy shit. Alright, I'm gonna have Delpine do this thing because I don't know how to take that thing. I usually do. So this is it, guys. Sweet potato in the house. Sweet potato in the house, guys. So I guess sweet potato, they also have flowers. Check this out, guys. See how beautiful that is? It's like violet flower sweet potato. Check that out. And then, guys, the thing is, this guys right here, you can eat this one right here, guys. This one. So you just have to boil the water, and then put it there in about a minute, and take it out, and then you can eat this son of a gun, and it's good for your body, guys. But to those high blood people, don't eat this because you're gonna get high blood. Don't try this with the high blood people, guys. You're gonna get your blood up. This sweet potato thing is gonna make you sick if you guys are high blood. So don't try this. Only the people who don't have a high blood can do these things. Like me, I'm a low blood, so I can eat this. So look at that. Look at that. There you go. Later on, we're gonna get some sweet potato fruit right here under the ground. So we're gonna cook it. Maybe there's more in there. We'll try to grill it or we'll try to broil it. Either way, you can make cake or maybe cake or something. Look at this banana, guys. A banana. This banana is good. Sweet. Small and sweeter. Look at that. Sweet little thing. This is the rice field and all that. Oh my God. So I'm excited. Oh, he's got some. What he got in here? He's got a lemon. This is a lemon over here, guys. Small, but it's sour. And we can make lemonade out of this. I don't know where he gets this. Maybe on the other side. So look at this, guys. Check that out. I like this. I'm gonna get some of this. And when you dip this guy, when you cut this, guys, squeeze it to a vinegar or whatever, or some kind of a salad. Squeeze it. It's the same thing like lemon, guys. It's the same thing like lemon. And the only thing about this is this is better than lemon. This is better than lemon because lemonade, put a little sugar on it, and there you go. You got a lemonade all day long. Look at that. Oh my. See, you can pick up lots of things over here, guys, on this mountain, on this area. In my province, you can do a lot. You can pick up a lot of fruits, vegetables, and everything is fresh, guys, fresh. What do I say there? I think I see a frog in here, crawling in there. I better get away from that one, because you never know what kind of frog it is. Maybe it's poisonous or something. And look at that. All right, post this video again, guys, and I'm gonna drink some water. So I got a water in my backpack, as you can see right here, guys. I got backpack right here. I got the water here, something in my back right there, guys. See that? Water. And I got a machete here. So yeah, I'm ready to go. Later on, I'm gonna go right there, across that mountain again, right there, guys. Across that mountain again to visit my other guy. All the way right there, guys. So I'm gonna visit him again and see what he's hiding in there, guys. Maybe he's doing a breaking some rocks. So he's a treasure hunter. Yeah. Everything he see like a rock formation and all that, he thinks there's gold in there. He thinks there's gold. So I told him, be careful how you break this rock, because you might get an accident and that thing is gonna fall in your face and you're gonna end up dead. So make sure what you're doing. Make sure know what you're doing by breaking that rocks, because instead of finding gold, you're gonna find yourself in a 12-foot ground. Okay, all right, guys. This is the way how you work. This is the way how it goes. Look at that. It's a machine. It's a moving louder. There's a thing. There's a driver. Check that out. And look at this right here. Look at that. So that's the way how it works. That's the way how it works, guys. There you go, right there. It's popping up, guys. It's popping up. It's popping up. So there. He cuts it right here. He cuts it all the way right here. So, of this right here, guys, this rice right here, this is in the super sack already. Look at that. And it's automatically separate the rice and the hay. That's what it is, guys. So you can see all this rice is being already separated from the hay. And look at that. How nice that is. How nice that is, guys. Look at that. So this is my caretaker. Let me guys introduce you to my caretaker over here. So kuya, palagay mo, ilang sako lang yan? Mga ilang sako lang yan? Ha? Ilang sako lang yan na maabot? Ha? Pila na kasako ito? Na maabot?
Napakaw man.
Ikaw ay mga 20 o kuya?
20 pa lang. Nasa na lang. Panara ito kung kwan. Ikaw na yung 20.
20? Oh. Gani.
Wala ko nito manay. Bo. Nagagawa masay na tarong.
Gani ba dang kumay dali o?
Hinlo sap, hinlo lang.
Hello?
Dili ko pahon. Dili ko pahon.
Oo mo?
Hinlo.
So there we go, guys. This is the one who's taking care of this land and planting rice. So we're gonna ask him how many years that he already taking care of this rice field around here or something. So kuya, ilang taon na kayo nagagawin? Nagtatanim ng palay sa mga, hindi man dito o doon.
Dugay-dugay na.
Mga mula ng
Dugay na.
mga 20 years, 30 years na ginagawa to.
Dugay na.
So he said, guys, he's already doing planting rice and taking care of rice for almost 30 years. So he's pretty much experience on how to take care of this rice. So from the beginning up to the end. So ikaw na nag-ano nito, no? Fertilizer, sa nagpapatay ng
Mga kwan. Lumini. Ano?
mamamang.
Long up. Mga kwan.
So,
Kapatid ng mga mama.
ito siguro ito na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Basi mabot lagi ng kain TV. No?
20 yun eh.
Nakabot. Kanina, ikaw pa nagtanong sa ila. Tama ka, sir. Si Mike, tag-isa na nito.
Limpa.
Nimpa. Sino nimpa?
Snabli.
Oo. Upod. Apat na pagka kami dito.
Dapat. Buhayan ko rin, buhayan.
So, there you go. Look at that dog. He's gonna take a swim over there by the river. So we're gonna Do that again right here. So here we go, guys. After all that harvester, it's all cleaned up. It's all harvested, guys. And this is all the sacks. They dropped it off from the machine right there. All those white things right there, guys, that's the rice sacks from this. It's all cleaned up. There's a little bit more over there. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other rice field, and I want to see my caretaker over there also is going to do a harvest and using the same machine. So after they're done with this one, which is probably about 30 minutes, they're going to be done over there, and the next one is going to be on the other side of my farm, of our farm. So I'm gonna go over there, and they're almost done. Once they got done over there, they're gonna go transfer right there, the big one, the big rice farm over there on the other side of this mountain. So here we go. Look at all that mountain, guys. And we got river over here. River looks good right now because it's not a yellowish, it's water. It's not clear, but better than red when it rains. So there you go. We're gonna go right here. Hopefully there's no wild monkeys over here, guys. As you can see, I'm gonna walk all the way. There's right here. It's a little muddy over here a little bit because of that harvester. So I gotta be careful before I bury my foot in here. So, oh my god, that was fun. That was fun, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and visit this other farm right here. So look at that river, guys. Look good. And this right here is the virgin forest mountain. Never touched, guys. It's never touched. So, oh, they started one over here already. Oh, look at that. So they did start right here, but look at it, guys. Oh, they started. Look at that virgin forest right there. People they don't wanna go inside of that for some reason. I don't know why, but we'll find out. So this one right here. So I'm gonna go to the other farm. So they did started already. Oh my God! Look at that. Yeah, this one's ready to harvest too, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. This one's ready to harvest, guys. Look at that rice right there. It's all yellow now. Look at all that yellow rice. Oh, look at this. This is what happened when the rice melted or they got burned with some kind of insects or something like that. They do have insects, guys. That's why they spray this for anti-insect thing, because if that insects is gonna go to the rice, boy, good luck, because they're gonna be multiply like crazy and eating rice, eating that seeds right there. Oh. So you end up losing money. You end up only a little bit of harvest. So we're gonna go ahead and walk all the way thing. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is, guys. Oh, see, even the rice, all yellowish. It's money. It's talking about money and rice. It's free rice. You don't have to buy rice anymore because harvest. You just have to go to the mill and make these things rice. Go to the mill and take off the skin of that seeds and it become rice. Check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back over there. Where is that thing? Where is that thing? Oh, look at who's over here? Someone lives over here. Really? Oh, I think I did a shortcut here. So we're gonna go. Oh yeah, look at that. Labay ako noy, labay. Kung jawi tao, labay ako. Salamat. Just passing by. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, there's right there, guys. Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right there. That's the little, how do you call that thing? Nipa house with my dad right there. My dad built that Nipa little house right there. As you can see, guys. Oh yeah, right there. So the farmers or the caretaker has a rest house, little rest house. Bring some food or take care of the land, all that thing. So where did he harvest that thing? Oh, alright. There we go. So we're gonna go right over here. Right here. So the sunlight is really good, you know. Good thing I wear this long sleeve sweatshirt because the sunlight is really something also. So, oh, I think he did. Wait a minute. Did he harvest already? Let's find out here. Oh no, it's not yet. We'll find out right here. We're gonna take a shortcut. Oh shit. We'll take a shortcut here, guys. Hopefully there's no poisonous living thing in here. Oh, look at my neighbor already also. Look at that. Oh. So let's find out. Look at this. They did harvest this rice already. So we're gonna go over there. This one, guys, is still a little green. So that one is not ready yet to harvest. It's not ready yet. It's not ready. So see that, guys? This thing is not ready because there's still green on it. So when it becomes all this yellow like this, it becomes all over there. So that's good. That's ready to harvest. So we find out here. He's gonna, oh look at that. He's gonna harvest that too. Let's check it out. Today it's month of March. This is the month of harvesting rice. This is the month. So we're gonna find out. Oof, I can't go over there because it's all muddy. I don't want to bury my foot all the way right there up to my knees. So we're gonna take a shortcut right here. Take a shortcut. That thing right there is muddy as hell. Right there. This is a waste because the water, it stays in, especially when it rains. The water stays in here. So you cannot, they try to put rice in here. But if the water stays there for a long time, the rice become nothing. It will destroy, that water will destroy the baby rice. Look up here, that's what happened. Because all that is mud and the water stays there for a very long time. And what a waste of space to plant that rice up to right there. And for some reason, I don't know why that water keeps staying in here. Look at this, guys, right here. Things like that. See, that water, it stays even though you put something to release this water to up to over there, and it's still not gonna do it. Still not doing the job. And so here you go, ladies and gentlemen, we got all kinds of rice. Huh? Ikaw, humana.
Ampun na humana. Imo na dagon. Last na kami imo na balsa.
Last na daw?
Adoy man kasasaw sila.
Di rin kadoy man.
Nalalap. Pasa na ano. Nahurot mo pag-ani o dito pa dito yapa?
Dito sa taas.
Yapa kahinog.
Yapa mo bugan.
Pila kakahunan diya kakwan? Aduha pa?
Andiyo yung katanomi. Pero may mga yulata. Tubigan.
Tubigan lagi.
Sige mabitaw pila nagtamon.
Oh my God, look at all this rice. Ipon. Vlog ta na kay vlogger man ta. Sa amoy na ato himuon para guys, that's also my dad's house right there. It's an old thing, and one of my caretaker also lives over here. So we got all kinds of rice here, and there's more over there. I think there's more, like 58 sacks to be sacks